How to change aspect ratio of video on CapCut. Hello everyone, this is Max. Welcome back to another tutorial video. So let's start without wasting any time. Also make sure to watch this video till the end. First of all, open up your Play Store. Now tap on the search icon and tap on the search bar. Now type CapCut. Now tap on search at the bottom right corner. Now simply tap on CapCut Video Editor. Now make sure to update to the latest version. After updating, simply tap on Open. Now tap on Edit and tap on New Project. Now give all the permissions. Now select your video. Now tap on add. Now once you are done with that, now select the video, select the clip. Now scroll to the right. Now tap on transform. Now tap on resize. Now select the aspect ratio. Now once you are done with that, simply tap on the tick icon. Now tap on export. And that's it. Thanks for watching. Make sure to subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon. See you in the next video.